Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create group emails in Google Workspace using a collaborative inbox. This is incredibly useful when multiple team members need to manage incoming emails together, like a support team or sales department, ensuring no message gets missed and everyone stays on the same page. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com. In the search bar, type Google Admin Console and click on the first official link that takes you to admin.google.com. This is where you'll manage all your workspace settings and group configurations. Next, you'll need to sign in with an account that has Google Workspace admin privileges. If you don't have admin rights, you'll need to reach out to your organization's administrator to help you with this process, as regular users won't have access to these group creation features. Once you're signed in and on the Admin Console homepage, look at the left side menu and click on Directory. This section contains all your organization's user and group management tools. From the directory options, click Groups to view all existing groups in your workspace. Now it's time to create your new group. Click the blue plus Create Group button to begin the setup process. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information. Fill in your group name like Support Team, then create a group email such as support@yourdomain.com. You can add a brief description to help others understand the group's purpose, then click Next to continue. The next screen is where you'll configure access options. Here you can decide who can view members, post messages, and request to join the group. These settings control how open or restricted your group will be, so choose based on your team's needs and click Next when you're satisfied. Now add your team members by typing their names or email addresses into the field. As you add each person, assign them a role, either owner, manager, or member, depending on their level of responsibility. Click Add to Group and then Done when you've added everyone. You'll see a summary screen showing all the details you've configured. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct, then click Create Group to finalize the setup. To enable the collaborative inbox feature, navigate to Google Groups, find the group you just created, and click on its name. Then click Group Settings and look for the Group Type option. Enable Collaborative Inbox to activate the shared management features. That's it, your group email address is now active and ready to use. Anyone you've granted permission to can send emails to this address, and all assigned members can manage incoming messages together in the shared inbox. Thanks for watching.